In today's video, I'll show you how to create a glitchy opening where your video appears like a distorted, malfunctioning TV screen. First, open your project in CapCut Mobile and make sure your video clip is placed on the timeline at the beginning. Since this is an opening effect, positioning matters for the final result. Tap on the video clip to select it. Once selected, go to the bottom toolbar and tap on Animation to open the animation options. Next, switch to the In tab. This section controls how your video appears at the start, which is where this glitch style reveal works best. Scroll through the animations until you find Angry TV, then tap on it to apply the effect. Once applied, you'll notice heavy distortion and screen movement, giving the intro a rough and aggressive feel. To adjust how strong the glitch effect feels, use the duration slider. Shorter duration makes the distortion hit faster and harder. Longer duration slows it down for a more dramatic reveal. Preview the animation and fine-tune the timing until it fits the energy of your video. And that's it. You've successfully added a glitchy TV-style reveal animation in CapCut Mobile. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more CapCut Mobile animation tutorials.